Yo, market's about to open in 2.5 minutes. Just taking a look at what could happen today. Have we invested this 4 hour? We haven't, but we are going lower. We're not respecting it like we did. We've come into this 4 hour here. Respected that. What are we targeting? We got these lows down here, all the way down here. Whether we get them today is a different story. If we go on the 1 hour. 1 hour, we got this target down here, this low inside the hourly fair value gap. Other than that, we have inversed out on the hourly. On the upside, we got this high up here, including this 4 hour fair value gap. And obviously, we've got all these highs up here and all-time highs up here. Now it just depends on whether we want to reverse right away or if we want to come down lower. We'll see. If we got in the 15 minute, we have swept out this recently. There's no 15 minute fair value gap. We got this 15 minute high up here inside the 15 minute fair value gap. This that's the 8:30 candle. There was news at 8:30. No, 1:30. That's that. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not too sure about today. I haven't got really a clear thing what I want price to do for me to take a trade. But we'll see what price develops, what it gives us when we open. We have this 5 minute. Market's just opened. See if we can tap into this or revert or inverse it. Let's see what S&P is doing. Same sort of thing. Sweeping out this 15 minute on the ES. Does look like price wants to go lower towards these lows. I mean, it's a well-needed bearish movement, really. We are filling in this 15 minute way over here. Way over here. Tapped into this 5 minute. See what the fucking flag. That's gonna distract me. Oh, bruv. I'll have to kill that in a minute. No, is this enough for me to short if we inverse this 1 minute? We're in such a good downtrend. Do have targets to the lower. We do have targets to the higher. Got hourly fair value gaps and highs. But if we get good displacement down, then we could be willing to take it. No inverse there. Also got 2 minute fair value gap open up as well. Oh man, this fly distracted me from my trading. Yeah, the 2 minute open up would mean the RR is not very good for me. There's no more targets to the lower side that would warrant me going further. I don't know though. Could do this, just break even here. But even so, it's like we'd have to get it perfectly up here. Had this. See if that played out. It's a bit too much for me. Taking out this side here. It's low, sorry. So I would have gone break even now. Just thought we're testing this. See what would have happened if I were to take it. That's it. full TP. Yeah, that would have been a win. I'm not annoyed that I didn't take it though. I'm sure some people would have. Taking this 1 minute inverse here could have been a good play, but again, I need to take the highest. Still sort of the same sitch. I need to take the highest time frame fair value gap inverse. Yeah, I was just a bit worried about taking that for just because of the RR, like having the break even here. I mean, it would have been a good continuation trade. Like this, I don't like taking trades where it's like the take profit isn't set on anything, but like when price is just running down like this and there isn't anything to, target, then just throwing it down there isn't always the worst idea. Especially if you go break even at a point that I could have taken profits if it was a bit high up, if that makes sense. But my entry was a bit high up, I mean. That's what it is though. See if you can catch anything else. We might have hit this down here in a little bit. But to come all the way down there and then take longs, that has to be moved all the way down. I don't know. I don't know if I see that as a viable option. Right, we've just taken out this hourly. I'm about to open on this 5 minute. It's just all fair value gaps, so like I can't really take a reverse off this because there's no structure. Like every fair value gap could be a point of reversal. So I'm unsure. Like what do I take? Like if I take it on the 2 minute, then I have to wait for this. If I take it on the 3 minute, then there's no fair value gap. So do I take an inverse up here? No, I'm not going to do that. I'd rather come up, tap into this, and then take a short from there. If I'm being realistic. Oh, we're just dumping. We've actually big old fair value 15 minute up here. It's 5 minute here. We've actually inverse this fair value gap on the hourly. Probably about to take this out. We're just dumping, bro. See if we can get a reaction off of this. I definitely would not want to take long when the market's moving like this. But if all my targets are taken, then there's no way to take a short either. So yeah, I think it's most likely a no trading day. Let's just forward test it. Just a forward testing day today. Let's go up to here. We'd obviously break even at this 5 minute here. Full TP at the 15 minute. Okay, we've hit this 5 minute. This would have been us break even there. See if it plays out the rest of it. Right, we would have been stopped out at break even there. That's that for today. I'm not really trying to take trade in these environments. Can't see anything else playing out. Yeah, I could come down, sweep this out, go higher. I just think it's too late. It would be too late in the session to do that. Same thing with tapping into this 15 minute, going lower. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it today. Yeah, that good trade we could have taken at the beginning. I think I sort of, bitched out on that a little bit. But it was just a trade that I didn't. It was a trade that I wasn't comfortable with taking just because I haven't taken anything like that before. So yeah, especially it was a a retracement into the 5 minute. Could have taken the 2 minute inverse here. Stop loss above here. Break even at this low, which I was sure we were going to take. So I could have taken it just break even early, and been okay with that. Just targeting a 1-to-1. To be fair, I wasn't like sure that we was going to go all the way down here today, but yeah, we done hard. But yeah, is what it is. We live to trade another day. Still up on the account. Just because it would have been a winning trade doesn't mean it was a good trade. Yeah, is what it is. We'll trade again next week. Yeah, I'm excited. I really do just want to pass this account now. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like nearly halfway there. When I get over halfway there, and it's like I'm closer to passing it than to failing it. Do you know what I mean? Which is quite crazy to think about. But yeah, taking it a step at a time, and we're gonna do it. Catch you in a bit.